everyone in the building is when in walks Entitled Dad with Entitled Kid in tow. A cold wind blew in, and my steaming cup of coffee turned to deputy. Entitled Dad, who I've never seen before, points at me and says, "Ink in the water, you're the famous writer." I writhed under this accusation, as I was in no way famous and had no idea who this lunatic pointing at me was. The couple backed away, and Entitled Kid runs at me and hugs my legs. Thrown off balance, I dropped my coffee
Thank
to my
you.
foot, which turned back and scalded the moment it touched my foot. Howling in pain, I hobbled to a sofa and sat down as the staff scrambled to give me some ice. Entitled Kid still had death grip on me, and I had to pry her off. The nice couple was handing me napkins when Entitled Dad plowed through them and pointed at me again. "Ink in the water. You look just like your mom. I met her in the lobby, and she told me you're a writer and that you were here. This is my kid, Miss Kleptomaniac." Entitled Kid was now setting down her backpack next to me. Me, "I'm sorry, I have no idea who you are." Entitled Dad, "I'm Mr. Jerk. So, since you're a writer, you can do Entitled Kid's homework for her. And give me your number, so I can set up a time for you to give her English lessons every day." This is about when I thought I was having a stroke. I'm a teacher now? Is this kid opening up a textbook? Me, "I think you have the wrong person. I don't teach." Entitled Dad, "I know, but you can start now. It's our duty to teach the youth. So I'll just pick Entitled Kid up in an hour, okay? I actually have to run. I'll get your number from your mom." And he walked out. Leaving me with this loud, belligerent girl who insisted on going through my purse. She then proceeded to shove her homework at me and demand that I do it while she played on her iPad. Spinning with pain and confusion, I pried my purse away from Entitled Kid, who immediately began to scream. I hobbled out of there, wincing, while Entitled Kid stayed inside and demanded the staff give her cookies. I moved to the lobby where Entitled Dad was terrorizing others. He looks at me and apparently loses what was left of his fragile mind. Entitled Dad, "What are you doing here? I told you to finish Entitled Kid's homework. Did you leave her alone in the cafe?" Me, "Yeah, that is not my job. And yes, I did it. I need to get something on my foot. You can go get her." Entitled Dad proceeds to bar my way to the elevator and demands that I wait until he gets Entitled Kid so we can all move to my apartment and I can do her homework there. This is where I kind of lost it. I yelled for security, and they came running, took one look at me, leaning against the wall in pain, and escorted me into the elevator. Entitled Dad was yelling at me the whole time, saying he would be up there soon. So here's where it gets worse. In the elevator, security informed me that he was a realtor and not a resident. He would not be allowed up to my apartment after what I told them. Upstairs, my parents were horrified, and my mother apologized for telling anyone what I did. Apparently, he told her and some others that he was a resident. Entitled Dad cornered her in the lobby and demanded my number. She gave him a piece of her mind, told him I was injured, and that his foot would be someplace unpleasant if he or his kid ever approached me again. He backed down, but told her I should be more understanding because Ink in the Water is old enough to get married and have her own kids. Who stays unmarried at 24? She had him escorted off the premises. He's now banned entry for harassed residents. Entitled Kid stole what she thought were mints from my purse. They were herbal laxatives. Crappy treats for little freaks. And you guys are crazy. Thank you so much for the awards and kind words. I've been in a major slump, and your words are beyond encouraging. Please come watch this video next. You will love it. And support our channel by joining as a member today, and we'll give you a special shout out in our next video. And to have us make any kind of video for you that you would like us to, just